All right, so pardon the mess here, guys. Craig has been hard at work knocking out another stereo install on a Southport. This time we look up in our hardtop here, you can kind of see, yeah, up in there, we've got a pair of the Wet Sounds Recon 6s. And then when we move our way forward here, kind of pull up the blanket a little bit, take a peek in there, you can see we've got a pair of 8s there. And then as we tuck up in here, we've got another pair of the Wet Sound 8-inch speakers. And then, not to be forgotten, up here in the bow area, we kind of tuck down and see, we've got another pair of 8s. So that's 3 pairs of 8s, and we've also got our sub right here. We've made a nice acrylic panel and sealed that all up. That's all being driven by a Wet Sounds 6-channel Sinister amp. And this thing rips, guys. Take a listen.